Hello my friends, today in this video, I will show you how to make adjustable voltage regulator with single 2N3055 NPN silicon power transistor. First bend the both pins of transistor like this. This transistor comes in TO3 metal package and has two pins, and third pin is interconnected with the body of this transistor. Now pre-solder the pins of this transistor. This pin is emitter. This pin is base. And the collector is interconnected with this metal body. So with the solder, I made third pin over here. Take a 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. Solder the second pin of potentiometer with the base pin of transistor. Take 220 kilo ohms resistor. Solder resistor with pin 3 of potentiometer. Bend the resistor, and solder with the body of the transistor. Take one N5408 diode. And solder anode side with the pin 1 of potentiometer. Bend the cathode side towards the emitter of the transistor. And solder the pins together. Pre-solder the both sides of diode. Now take 8.2 nanofarads capacitor. And solder between the pins of diode. Now our circuit is almost complete. For output, take these alligator clip wires. And solder output negative on diode's anode. And solder positive on diode's cathode. Here is the circuit diagram of this project for the reference. Now our circuit is completed and ready to test. Use this potentiometer knob for the easy operation. Now back to the project, I connected the multimeter on output to track the voltage regulation. And connect the input supply, negative with the output negative, and positive with the body of the transistor. You can adjust the voltage from minimum 0.1 volts to maximum 40 volts. Now slowly you can adjust the potentiometer clockwise to increase the output voltage. Since my connected power supply is 30 volts, so output is accordingly. Now let's adjust the voltage to 12 volts for further testing. I will connect this bulb for testing purpose. As you can see, it works perfectly. And you can increase and decrease the brightness of bulb by the adjusting the potentiometer accordingly. This transistor will get warm, but it is still recommended to use heatsink for higher loads and longer operations. I also tried this 775 powerful DC motor for the testing purpose of the circuit. And as you can see, it works perfectly. You can adjust speed of the motor by increasing or decreasing the voltage by adjusting the potentiometer clockwise or anti-clockwise. This circuit is very useful for small applications, and for learning the basic DIY electronics projects. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, Altium introduces you with the Altium Students Lab. Get free access to Altium Designer with students license and PCB design courses. Enjoy seamless collaboration with Altium 365, get access to industry-leading software, learn the foundation of PCB design with course certificate, get career opportunities through internships and scholarships, also get hands-on experience to skill development. So, enroll today for free and accelerate your career in electronics design.